Welcome back to another episode of Auto Amateur. I'm James, and guys, did you know that Soul Performance make their own rims? Well, they do, and I've got some. Let's go check it out. Guys, I'm so excited to share these wheels with you today. Just a couple of months ago, I discovered that Soul Forged wheels are out there. They're produced by Soul Performance products. Naturally, I was going to be interested. With winter coming up, I swap out my summers for my winters, and I thought, what the perfect opportunity to get myself a new set of rims. And here they are. They're lighter weight than the factory wheels. You know, who cares? There are technical things. I'm not going to bother you with all of that stuff. But just look how killer they are. So being a fan of Soul Performance products and their exhaust systems, when I realized they were making wheels, naturally I was curious, so I came to check them out. You can see here they do wheels for Porsche, Audi, and Lamborghini. There's also a cool option here where if there isn't something from their product inventory and their standard lines that you don't like immediately, you can get in touch with them and talk about a custom set of wheels. I've spoken to a few people already via Instagram that are already talking to them about getting a certain finish, a certain weight, a certain style or color to match their particular setup. This is a really cool option. You can see all of the various colors here that you could possibly get your wheels in. That's a really cool idea. Let's take a look at the wheels I've got for my 991.2 Carrera. There are a couple of different styles available. I have this version, which is Soul's take on the classic Porsche Turbo Twist. You can see that they've been true, or they're remaining true to the original concept of the Turbo Twists with how they're styled and the dimensions of each of the spokes. But you can also see that they're uniquely Soul Performance. I think they look absolutely stunning. I was taken by them online when they arrived and I got them out of the box. I thought they looked really cool, but on my car itself, I'm really happy with the results. They also have different rims for all sorts of other different Porsche models here. You can see across the different styles, Boxster Cayman, Carrera. Let's take a look at the 991.2 GT3, which is one of my dream cars. If I was going to have a 991.2 GT3 Touring, maybe I'd go for something like this. That looks pretty cool. So a really cool lineup. Now, if you're interested in the technology, you can reach out and talk to them. They're advertising that these have been designed intentionally to be lighter than the factory wheels, which give you braking improvements and performance and handling improvements. If that's what you're interested in and getting that extra little bit of performance out of your wheels, of course you can. For me, I just was interested in getting something that looks absolutely wicked on my car, and I think I've achieved that. I'm pretty happy with what I've got. Well, that's it for another video, guys. Soulforgedwheels.com if you want to check out a set for your own car. I've got a bunch of wrenching to do in the next couple of months. Just today, I got 2 exhaust systems in the mail from Soul Performance. I've got the X-Pipe exhaust, I've got the valved exhaust. I'm going to be installing both and putting them on and off and comparing them between each other. I've got diverter valves, air filters, plenums, lowering springs, and some other stuff I can't remember, but it's somewhere there kind of behind me. Stay tuned for more. I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks. Bye.